All right, hi everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So, in today's video, I'm going to be decorating this tier tray for you for Christmas. Let's get started. All right, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Or channels. Let's get started decorating this tier tray. So this is one of the tier trays, guys, from the Dollar Tree Plus section when they first opened the section. I don't even think they carry these anymore. This is the red one with the Christmas trees on the side. It's not exactly the sturdiest metal, but it's nice if you're just going to decorate it to keep it stationary. So let's get started decorating this, guys. All right. So and this is a Dollar Tree nutcracker, nice size. I'm gonna say this one's hat makes them taller. Okay, so they really are nice sizes though, if you like nutcrackers. So we're gonna go ahead and start by putting maybe this tree back, this tree here. All of these items here are all from the Dollar Tree, just so you know. One of the bottle brush trees, and look at the size of this one. So they are carrying a lot better items. So we're gonna place that there. I think I'm going to place my nutcrackers, one on either side of that tree. I think it'll look nice. And I don't like their hair like all over the place, so I always lay it down. All right, there. So we got two nutcrackers and that Christmas tree in the back. Now, that's why I say it has to be, I have to set it somewhere stationary. So I have this, okay, I have this tree here that I made on one of the collaborations that I joined, which was all about ornaments. And I had an ornament DIY myself, collaboration. But I like these trees. I'm gonna see if they have some more. Usually the stores will not get back items when they're trying to get rid of stuff. It's getting very close to the holidays, so. But anyway, this tree I think looks really nice there. It doesn't really take away from the tree in the back. I don't know if you can notice that. Let me go ahead and elevate you a little bit. Okay, so I think that's better. So see how it doesn't really take away. Let me just turn this, tilt this more toward you so you could see. So we have the two nutcrackers here, the wooden tree ornament here, right in front of it, and then we have the bottle brush tree back there. So I think down here, I'm not done with this yet. Let's move down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some greenery on the bottom half. And I do think that little greenery thing there, I got that at Dollar General. Now I did make, in the same collaboration that I joined, the gingerbread. So there's snow on the bottom of these. These are so cute and so easy to make. So these are gingerbread ornaments. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these inside of my tray. And I'm gonna come to the end here. And here's the other ones, I made two. And I don't see any reason why you can't put two gingerbread characters in here. And these happen to be stickers, and I love using them. Okay, so it's nice to decorate also your tier trays with ornaments. Okay, so I have one on either side there. And now I have some of these small little bottle brush trees, and these are 3 for $1.25. So I have two over there. I have so many things everywhere. So we're gonna place this here. And then we have two of the little ones. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know, place this one in the center maybe. And then one on each side. Let's see, or maybe one next to the ornaments. I don't know if I should do that, let's see. Let's place them in there first, because I have some other DIY trees I want to show you. I think we should put one over here, move the ornament a little bit closer so we have it here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this bottle brush tree here. Okay, now these were also DIY trees. Absolutely love these things, and that's why I made them really for tier trays. So one of them had the little wooden round, okay, in a circular, the circular one, and the other one was like a little wooden slice. I don't know if you could see that. It's like a slice. And so I just used it as a stand for these ornament trees that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And I got quite a bit of them, but we're only gonna go ahead and decorate with 4. So I thought I would put, I don't wanna block anything. Oops. So I don't wanna block anything. Definitely this metal tray, I would tell you, it's not, I wouldn't pay the money for it again. And I got 2 when I first purchased these. And I'm not sponsored by Dollar Tree, but the wooden ones that they got are much better quality. These were just the first ones they started out with. They're okay, like I said, if you're just not gonna move it around too much, but I'm not happy with them. So it is kind of cute. I like the red, I like the trees, but I'm just letting you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a tree maybe here. And let's see. I wanna keep this flock tree there, and then 1 tree here, and then 1 tree here. I think we're okay there, because you could still see the gingerbread. You could still see everything. I'm gonna leave it like that. Then I'm gonna bring this one over here, and then this one over here. See, so you could see, I absolutely love trees. So this is looking really nice. And then to kind of, what you can do is you can use like one of these fuzzy cloths from the Dollar Tree. If you're going to place it on the table, you could even lay like a white cloth. I'm gonna lay this white cloth like right here. All right, and I like that look. See, I don't know if you could see it, but you will in the reveal. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate with this poinsettia. It's a little miniature poinsettia. I purchased it at Walmart in there where they have all their little mini ornaments for the smaller trees. And these have gingerbread men on them. Isn't that adorable? So I thought it would be nice to go ahead and clip it on here. And look at that. I think this is a beautiful tier tray. I don't want to move it too much, but I think this is an absolutely beautiful tier tray. So I think it's time for us to head on over to the reveal. I think this tier tray came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.